Hey everybody, happy Sunday. I think I'm just at the end of the day and the markets are just about to open or they're opening right now. So before they get away from me, I wanted to do my weekend update and tell you all what's been going on with my trades. You'll also have to tell me if my microphone's working better. I'm trying a different microphone, so hopefully I won't sound so muffled or so low. First of all, let's take a look at what I have open. You can see that I have few trades open here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, I know. A lot of trades open, too many, and I realized after the fact, overextended on a couple of these pairs. Because look at here, I've got Aussie USD, Aussie JPY, I've got Kiwi JPY, USD JPY. Oh, so yeah. I'm going to ask you guys to help me out with that. So, tell me, what do you do when you have more than one pair that looks really good and is giving you a good signal? How do you decide which ones to take and which ones to pass? Because you don't want to be too overextended. Anyway, think about that. You can put that in the comments for me. Maybe I will learn something and get better at this. So let's start off with the first one here. This is Aussie yen, and you can see this was a buy, and it is still going. It has hit its first take profit, and the stop loss is now at break even. And we're letting this continue to cook because we're looking down at this candle. This was Friday's candle. So you can see that the QQE blue line was still over the white dotted line, which is a buy. Both of them were over the 50, which is a buy. We still have a buy on our SSL. We still have uptrend on our multi-sync index. So that's why I'm just letting it cook. The next one is Aussie USD. And this one is in profit as well, but it hasn't hit its first take profit yet. Okay, but let's see why we are letting this one ride. If we come down here, we can see the QQE is over the white dotted line. They're both over 50. Our SSL is still green, and our trend is still up. So we don't have any kind of exit indicator or indication to get out at this time. Let's take a look at the Euro Kiwi. So this was a sell, and yeah, it looks like it did hit the first take profit. So now my stop loss is at break even, which is great. But we don't have any kind of exit indicator yet because you see our QQE is below the white dotted line. We still have a sell on our SSL, and we still have a downtrend. So we're going to let that one go. Let's look at Kiwi USD. You might be wondering, why is she dragging her charts over and not using her symbol changer? Isn't that what it's for? I just find that I like the visual aspect of the symbol changer, but I don't like actually changing my charts with it. It's much too slow. It's much quicker and easier for me if I just drag them over. So just in case you were wondering. Okay, so we have Kiwi USD. This was a buy. Not up very far, but we still have all the indications to keep it. Again, blue QQE line is above the white dotted line. They're both above 50. SSL is still green, and we still show an uptrend on our multi-sync. Okay, next we're going to look at Kiwi JPY. All right, so this one is up just a hair, just a little bit. Better than being down. And again, this one is cooking because we don't have any indication yet to get out. QQE is still above the white dotted line. They're both above 50. We have a green on our SSL, and our multi-sync is still in an uptrend. Now let's go look at the two problem children. Okay, we've got USD Swissy. Okay, so this one is down about 13 pips. So not terrible, but we are going to let it continue because we are not getting any signs yet to get out. And remember, we have those strict exit rules that I went over in my last video. So we can see here QQE is under the white dotted line and under the 50, which is a sell. SSL is still red, and we're still showing down on our multi-sig index. So even though it's not in the money, we're going to let it cook a little longer. And finally, USD JPY or USD yen. Okay, so this is also a sell, and it's only down about 1.4 pips, so not too bad. I'm hoping it's going to decide to go back down again. If you look here, our QQE is still below the white dotted line. We have, stop it, go away. We have red for our SSL, and we still have a downtrend for our multi-sync index. So we're going to let that one cook as well. Here are, I think I already showed you this. Yeah, these are the actual tallies. Here, oh, looks like they're actually doing a little better than when we first looked at them. But what I did want to show you is my FX book. Okay, so this is my FX book. This is the portfolio for the account that I am forward testing. And I will put a link to it in the description. So you can see in real time what's going on. This is like super scary. This is like, okay, this is everything wide open. So I better just buck up here and go with the flow. As you can see, I'm still down. Would be nice if I was not down, but it's only been a few weeks since I started this. But look at the equity is actually going up. And I've had some profitable trades here recently. So I'm not too concerned about it. Our win ratio is only about 45% right now. But again, it's only been a few weeks, and as VP said, you could have several losers. But I have several profitable trades here too that are still cooking. So I still feel pretty good about it. But anyway, you can go and check that out. And let's go look at the drawdown ones really quick. Ooh, my drawdown's getting worse. But not too bad though. The highest is 6.58. So as long as I can keep it, I would love to keep it under 6, but if I can keep it around 6 or below, I'll be happy with that. Well, there you go. That is my update for the week. I hope you guys have a great trading week, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.